Meow, cat aficionados. It's time to embark on a journey into the intriguing world of Cat's Globe. Today, we're diving into a rather mystifying yet essential topic: what to do when your feline friend refuses to dine. Fear not, for we're about to demystify this conundrum with simplicity and clarity. Exploring the issue. So, picture this: your adorable feline friend turns their nose up at their food. What's the big deal, right? Well, it turns out, when cats refuse to eat, it's more than just a picky preference. It's a red flag for potential health problems. Why cats refuse to eat. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of why your cat might pull a disappearing act at mealtime. It could be illness, like a sneaky infection, or maybe they're throwing a little hissy fit after a recent vet visit. Sometimes they're just not feeling the vibe of their surroundings. Weight loss in cats? Now, when your furry buddy starts shedding pounds faster than you can say treats, it's time to take notice. Sudden weight loss could be a sign that something's not quite right. We're talking diabetes, infections, or even those sneaky parasites. What you can do. Okay, so what's the game plan? Well, here's the deal. Never, ever try to play the starvation card. Instead, team up with your vet to figure out the right grub for your kitty. And if things get really tough, they might suggest a feeding tube, no biggie. Encouraging your cat to eat? But hey, sometimes a little coaxing is all it takes. Think about it like this. What would tempt your cat to the food bowl? A bit of tuna? Some warm, gooey cat food? Remember, it's all about small portions, no food comas allowed. Transitioning to cat food. Got a cat that's hooked on human goodies? No worries. You can wean them onto cat food over a few weeks. It's like a culinary adventure, but for cats. Keeping variety. Cat food experts? Yep, they exist. Say it's a good idea to mix it up from time to time. Changing the menu keeps your cat from turning into a food snob and helps with any allergies they might have. And there you have it, dear cat connoisseurs. Remember, when your whiskered buddy decides to be a picky eater, it's not just another episode of feline drama. It's your cue to be a proactive pet parent, ensuring your furry companion stays content and in the pink of health. But before we whisk away, let's keep the catversation alive. Give that like button a gentle tap. Make Cat's Globe your go-to destination for your daily feline fix by hitting the subscribe button. And don't hold back, share your perfectly delightful cat tales in the comments below. We're all ears and whiskers, eagerly awaiting your meow-tastic stories.